Hi, I'm Chris Borja, founder of Become a Better Networker, and today I'm going to share with you real quick a brand new program that I have launched for those of you who are in sales, those of you business development. You might be your own business, you might be a business owner, entrepreneur, or direct sales specialist. If you are any of those things, or if you're an author, a speaker, a coach who needs to get your message out there, that you know that networking is the key. The problem, however, is that most of us never learned how to network. We never learned it in grade school, high school, college. We didn't learn at our jobs, and yet it's something that everyone is expected to know how to do out in the marketplace. So what I started doing, because I was always afraid of networking and those kind of scenarios, and avoided all kinds of public settings and social settings and public speaking, all those kind of things, I recognized that there was a need. And as I got better, I wanted to make sure I have an opportunity to help people. So here's what I'm doing. I have a brand new program. It's called the Networking Essentials Bootcamp. And the reason it's called that, it's designed to give you exactly what you need to take fast action and start getting results. So if you're anything like me, you realize that time is money. We don't have a ton of time to be able to start learning all kinds of things, but we know it's important. So what I did is created a weekend boot camp. So on Friday and Saturday, I do a weekend boot camp to teach networking skills to help you to be able to gain confidence, to be able to get rid of those fears and learn the skills, gain competence, learn the skills of what you need to do. So I'm going to go over that model with you here in just a second. I wanted to show you this room because this is the boardroom at the Dublin Entrepreneurial Center. This is where I'm going to be taking a small amount of business leaders in our community. And we're going to be set up here on a Friday and a Saturday night. And we're going to be making absolutely a ton of impact on people's businesses, helping them to gain the things that they have been missing the entire time that they've been marketing. So here's a program. I'm going to flip this screen over real quick. And let's see here. Hold on. All right, so at the top, you can see this is the formula I teach. This is a framework. This is how I help people become better at networking. It's called our MAP. So the first M is mindset. Without the right mindset, we don't take the right activity. The second A right here, that's the activity in person. We got to know how to work these events, and activity online equals your positive outcome. So everyone has a slightly different positive outcome. It might be new business. It might be a new referral partner. It might be finding some kind of strategic partnership that can absolutely transform your business. And one of the sayings I like to use is that you're only one connection away from your breakthrough. Your breakthrough is literally just one connection away. So here I'm going to show you exactly what you're going to get if you come to this boot camp. So again, it's Friday and Saturday. So on Friday is a whiteboard session. What we do is we go through each of your individual businesses, whatever you're working on. We help you gain clarity on that. We start with the mindset. We go over your value proposition. Exactly what are you offering? Who are the people that you need to reach? Who are some strategic people to help you accomplish your goals? Who do you service? Who do you help? I'm going to teach you a modular elevator speech. We all know the importance of elevator speech. We all know the importance of first impressions. Well, a modular elevator speech allows you to adjust your speech, your introduction to fit your audience, because a one-size-fits-all just doesn't work anymore. If you've ever felt uncomfortable with giving your elevator speech, maybe it felt like maybe you had something memorized but you didn't use that one because it was uncomfortable, or it seemed like it was too long, or maybe you had a lot of extra time and you ran out of things to say in 30 seconds. I'm going to teach you a modular elevator speech where whether you need a quick 5-second answer, or you have 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 5 or 10 minutes to be able to share what you do, you'll be able to flex up into those and be able to get people a very, very clear, concise message of exactly what you do, so they know how they can help you get connected, and how they know who a good referral is for you right away. All right, next thing. So that's Friday evening. So that's how we kick off the evening. Get to know each other, a lot of fun, lots of camaraderie that gets built within the class. On Saturday morning, we're going to talk about the activity that you do in person. So we're going to talk about where you find events. We're going to talk about how to work these events, where to stand at the events, how to know if it's an open or closed group, how to make sure you're not interrupting people, how do you know if they're receptive to having you join their group or not, how do you break away from a conversation. And we'll talk about what to do after the event. How do you follow up? A lot of times people will collect a bunch of business cards and then not know what to do after that. I'm going to show you exactly a system to be able to keep track of it, be able to stay in touch, and build those relationships. So that's all Saturday morning. And then Saturday afternoon, we're going to go into something that's super important, but I tie it all in together because it's important to know what to do in person, but also what to do online. So what we're going to do is we're going to talk about your activity online, And we're gonna go over Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. So the big three, the main ones to build your business: Facebook, LinkedIn, and Instagram. You might not do all of them equally. You might lean more towards one or the other depending on your business. We're gonna talk about your profile and branding. Did you know that through your profile, if you build a good profile and you properly brand yourself, people should already know what you're about. They should already be pre-sold before you even get to talk to them. So that's your profile and branding. And then we'll finish up with strategy and conversions. So strategy and conversions, we're gonna finish up there. So we're gonna create an exact game plan for you to follow on each of those platforms. You might major in one, minor in a few of the other ones, but you're gonna have at least one primary platform that you are going to dominate. Have the exact steps, and it's proven. I'm going to show you exactly how to use those things, not just to build a number of followers, because that doesn't really mean anything. You can have 1 million followers if you have no conversions. So it's about having followers, being able to lead them down a path to where you can actually convert them into clients of yours or referral partners for you. So again, that's the Networking Essentials Bootcamp. The reason I name it that, it's everything you need, nothing you don't. It's action-packed. You will be able to take action as soon as the bootcamp is done. You'll probably be halfway through the bootcamp, or even day one, be ready to jump out and start going into action mode. Okay, so that's how powerful this is. I know it's going to make a big impact for you. So I look forward to seeing you at an upcoming bootcamp. Go ahead and scroll down and look at the other information. Check the link, see the information when the upcoming bootcamps are. Get yourself registered while you can, and I will see you guys over the weekend. All right, you guys take care. Happy networking. Bye-bye.